Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily add an image to your Getresponse email. By the end of this video, you'll have it down, step by step. First things first, make sure you're in the email editor of Getresponse. If anything's already selected, just click back to return to the main editing screen. Now, look for the image block on the right side. Once you find it, simply drag and drop it into your email where you want the image to appear. You'll see the option to either drag image here or browse. You can browse through Getresponse's free images or upload one from your computer. For example, I'll upload a thumbnail from a recent video. After uploading, click Use, and your image is now added to your email. You can easily adjust its size and alignment if needed. And that's it. You've successfully added an image to your Getresponse email. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.